Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I'm going to show you iPhone X how to factory reset your phone without PC method. And go to the setting and click the general and swipe down and click the transfer or reset iPhone and click the erase all content and setting and click the continue and click erase iPhone. Your phone is now successfully factory reset. Now set up your phone normally set up and select the language and you select your native country and connect to the Wi-Fi, and I will connect my another mobile hotspot. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I uploaded useful video for you, and see you by next video.